Hi, this is John. We're taking finger picking style number 1. It's the easiest finger picking style there is. It's alternating between your thumb and your index, middle, and ring finger. And so you play a bass string with your thumb, and then you pluck upwards with index, middle finger, and ring finger, like that. And you want to alternate back and forth between your thumb on these bass strings. So if I'm playing, for example, a C chord, I might start off with a C note in the bass, then pluck up, and then move over here. E minor chord, I might start with the middle E, pluck up, and then hit the lower E. Or it could be the other note, the B. So there's a lot of different finger picking styles, and this is the easiest one to do. Like, I'll probably make about 20 videos on this series, finger picking style. So watch me play the song. The song is called, I wrote this song called Ain't Life Good in the Country. It's kind of just a country song, maybe a folk song. And I will be using this alternating thumb, so it's bass chord, bass chord, bass chord, bass chord. So let's try this together. And you can watch me play this. Then I will give you the link where you can go back and play it by yourself. I have this song listed on Chordify, so I will provide the link to Chordify so you can see the chords and just play along with the chords, which is what I'm doing right now. So let's give this a shot here.
Jump out of bed. Got cows to milk and the pigs need fed. Work all day but it feels real good, 'cause I got 5 years worth of firewood. Ain't life good in the country? Oh yeah. Simple as a fiddle and the clap of your hands. Got my family, my freedom, and the work of the land. Ain't life good in the country? Porch swing swaying with a banjo tune. Neighbors stop by in the heat of noon. We pick and we grin till the daylight's gone. Thank the Lord above for another good song. Ain't life good in the country? Oh yeah. Simple as a fiddle and the clap of your hands. Got my family, my freedom, and the work of the land. Ain't life good in the country? Oh yeah. Simple as a fiddle and the clap of your hands. Got my family, my freedom, and the work of the land. Ain't life good in the country?
Okay, so subscribe and you'll see more videos teaching you more complex finger picking styles. This is John signing off, and by the way, check out that link in the comment section or in the description section of the video. There's a link taking you over to Chordify, and you can see the chords that I played. You play along with it. You might want to strum. You could just strum the chords, but the chords are right there in sequence. Okay, bye-bye for now.